So I'm at the car wash right now because my car is so dirty from all the snow that we got in Denver. But the car wash is so packed. There's like so many cars. So I don't know how long this is gonna take, but I'm running a bit late. But we should meet up with the group within like the next 30 minutes, hopefully. So just gotta get through this crazy line at the car wash. We got our current group right now. Derek's 435, M4, and the AMG back there, so we're gonna head out. All right, so we're gonna head away to the car meet. It's about 25 minutes away, but we got everybody lined up there. We're supposed to meet up with the Supra, but looks like he's running a bit late, so we're just gonna meet him there. So we went to Empire Nissan because that's where the car meet is at, but there's two Empire Nissans which I was not aware of. So we went to the one on the whole other side of town. So now we're going to the correct location, which is on the other side of town. So we just did this big drive and now we're going the wrong way. I feel so bad, but we're gonna be there in like 15 minutes. So all right guys, we just got to the meet like 20 minutes ago, but we got Simple KJ right here. Got his YouTube right there with his gorgeous Supra. One of a kind color. You don't see this color too often.
Oh, it's a BMW. It's a BMW.
It's a BMW? Ah.
You can't say it's a Supra.
Dude, the badge tricks me.
No, people will get mad at you. You can't say that.
Okay. So we got a, what is it, 2021?
BMW 2021 Z4.
2021 B58 Z4. Very unique. I don't know why it says Toyota, just cross that out. Yeah. You should get a BMW badge for it. I don't think I've seen one that's done that.
People have done it, but it doesn't look right.
Well, I guess Thick Whips put it on his engine cover. Yeah. That was pretty funny.
You got the sauce, bitch. like you got the sauce, bitch.
So it's at a Nissan dealership, so it's mainly just Nissans, which is cool because there's some sweet cars out here today. But yeah, definitely a good turnout. Just doesn't have the variety like the other shows I go to, but I do love some like classic Nissans. All right, guys, so we're just getting some quick gas right now. So we got KJ and his Supra. We're both low on fuel, but we're gonna take these two cars on the highway and end the video off with some rollers. Let's see what the Supra can do versus the M4. But you're stock, right?
Yeah.
For the most, okay, he's stock. So I am tuned, so that will play a role in the race as well, but we'll see how it goes. Soon, guys, we will be putting E85 in the car, but just don't have the tune set up for it right now. Guys, should I do some anti-lag pulls? Get that anti-lag to use? We'll see. We'll let off a pop. Ready?
Come on, Pearl. Come on, Pearl. Okay, here we go again.
All right, guys, so Mexico was fun, but we had to come back home. So anyways, that was a pretty close race. I didn't think his Supra would like stick with me like that. It was actually really impressive. So he's just got like some exhaust work on that, but everything in the engine is stock. So, you know, my tuned car definitely struggled against it, but a huge factor is my tires are so like thinned out and balding. So I was just spinning all over the place. But yeah, once he tunes this car and I go E85, it should be a really, really good race. So I'm excited for that.